So I might not be the cleanest person ever, so I wanted to go ahead and change. I wanted to go ahead and clean up everything on my desk, from all the garbage, from all the electronics that I have, and just basically make it look a lot nicer. So here I am, just throwing a bunch of stuff away for starters. I have a watch on too, and eventually I just decided just to move everything out of the table, honestly onto a different table, but I'll get to that, don't worry. And yeah, just keep doing that. What you saw there before was a lighter I got from Ecuador. I really did like it, but I don't smoke, so I don't really know what to do with it. Wipe, 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 wipe. And there's a lot of dust, and I mean a lot of dust that accumulated everywhere. Not just on the table, but on the keyboard, on the mice, on the speaker, on the computer screens itself, even in the back. And as you can see, my cable management isn't the best. So I want to go ahead and change that. So I decided to get a bunch of different rubber bands. I also get some binder clips and just basically start tying away. And this did take me the longest time. Not gonna lie, it actually did take me roughly 30 minutes to go ahead and do all of this. This is just cable management, and in the end it still didn't end up looking the best, but it looked a lot better than before. So I'm happy about that. There's a bunch at the bottom, but I went ahead and fixed that. And yeah, that's about it. And so there, I finally cleaned everything up, and this is how it looks like. Everything's looking nice and neat. A lot better than before. There's much better cable management, even though it doesn't look the best. It's a lot better than it was before. Clean this up a little bit. I stuck this on the wall too. This is gonna be my basically 5K to 10K, and then there's also more for the marathon. So I can go ahead and just practice running more. And yeah, looks all nice and clean. I kept these whiteboards over here just because I had them. And I put these two boxes and moved the shelf over here as well too, or this cabinet that was all the way over there, so I can actually use it. So these are the stuff that I use basically every single day. And then these are just some extra stuff that I'll also use. Here's the more important things are in the first shelf that are more in reach. And then things that I don't use as much would be in here. And this is just stuff that was already in there, so I didn't really move it. It's just a bunch of files in the filing cabinet. And I moved Tiger stuff over here instead. So he has his cat tower right there, his nice dog cushion here with a few toys on there. And I didn't really touch much over there. Oh, I cleaned the stuff that I put on the table, but that's about it. The cat carrier over there in that chair. I moved that chair over there instead, and I moved my weights right over here instead. They were over there. I'm finally glad I got a chance to actually clean everything up, so I have a much cleaner work setup, much cleaner desktop area, so when I work, I don't feel so upset and disappointed that it's messy. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell notification for more content. Till next time,